Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Vanila. Please subscribe and put likes to my videos. And this is my new hat. I've made it for this winter that just finished, and I've crocheted, and as you can see, it's stunning. It's double thickness here. It's double thickness, and I thought I'm going to wear it and show it to you. Have a look. I hope you like it, and don't forget to write in the comments if you love it, and see you in the next couple of videos with something new from me.